Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs using a rubber band like this and then rotate it. Now we will tie all the hairs together. Tie it from the bottom as well. Now fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it from the bottom, tie it and then roll it upward. Fix it, make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Make the plaits. After making the plaits, we will take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Fix the plaits first and then take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it as shown in the video. After rotating it, fix the hairs together. Now tie all the hairs. Tie it using a rubber band. Tie it from the bottom as well. Fold it upward and fix it to make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it and then rotate it. Now we will tie all the hairs. Tie it from the bottom as well and then rotate it. Now tie the plaits on the rest of the hairs in the downside. Fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it properly. Watch the video till the end to know the techniques and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back by leaving small section of the hairs in the front. Now tie it and then fold it upward and make a bun. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits on it and pull out the hairs from the sides. Fix it around the bun and fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs in the back like this and tie it using a rubber band. After that, we will take small section of the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the hairs from the top. Watch the video till the end. Now, we will take the hairs from the sides again and fix it on the back. Fix it using the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.